Hello everyone, and welcome back to My Crafting World. This is Anna. You know, the other day I was realizing that I say this is Anna all the time. But guys, it's only because, there are people out here that don't know who I am. So, I mean, you guys, my subbies, you guys know who I am, and please forgive me if it's redundant and you're tired of hearing it. But not everyone knows who I am. So, okay. Full disclosure, I just wanted to share that with you guys because it was a thought. Anyway, I received a Happy Mail package from Debbie Adams. Some of you, I think, saw the video where I had sent her a package. We were supposed to meet, I think it was last month. Yes, in August. And I wasn't feeling very well, so we came straight home. She lives up in the Dallas area, and we have family over there. And I wasn't feeling very well, so I told her, we're really going to have to leave it for another time. So I had already prepared a package for her to give her when we met, and it didn't happen. So I said, well, no, it was still for her, so I mailed it off. And funny thing is that she had said she had prepared a package as well. So she mailed hers off, and I've received hers. So I have cut the package open, but that's all I've done. And so we're going to open it together and see what she sent me. All right, guys. So here's the box. And oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Isn't that a beautiful, beautiful presentation? Oh my goodness. And I love that ribbon. You know what, guys? I think I've told you guys before, I don't have this, I guess it's satin. I don't have satin ribbon. And oh my gosh, look at this. Let me take this out of here. Oh, look at this card. She colored this, guys. I cannot color to save my life. Oh, this is so adorable, that little girl. Yeah, I mean, I have some markers, but I can't. I can't. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, Debbie, you did such an amazing job. Creative Designs by Deborah Adams. And I'm going to go ahead and link her information in the description box for you guys. You should go check her out. She does some really, really amazing work. She does some albums, and I'm just like, girl, where'd you come up with that idea? But yeah, so this is the front of her card. Oh, that little butterfly is adorable. Some flowers here. I just love that. That is beautiful. And oh, how cute. Okay, so she sent the card, and she did send a note that was separate from, that was not attached to the card. And I'll let you know what that says in a little minute here. But look at that. This mulberry paper is beautiful. She put it on a separate piece of paper, her note, and she tucked it in here so that I could use the card, guys. Isn't that awesome? Oh, it says, "You make me smile." And then over here, it says, I love this paper. "Sending sincere thanks for your thoughtfulness." Oh my gosh, that's beautiful, guys. Oh, Debbie, that's beautiful. I love it. And then there's her information, which I will link in the description box. That is beautiful. And she inked the edges here in orange to tie everything together. The edges of the little girl here. The orange. Oh, I love her use of color. Beautiful. I love it, Debbie. Thank you. She's just thanking me for the album that I sent her. And the little extra that I sent her. Aww. And she hopes we get to meet up in person at some point. Nice, nice. Okay. Yes, Debbie, we will at some point because, we have family in the Dallas area. Well, in Dallas. So we go over there occasionally. So when I'm not feeling as bad, We will meet up, I promise. And so that was the card that she sent. And then she sent me an extra, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It says striped sun-kissed fleur. Oh my, okay. You guys know that Heartfelt is one of my favorite brands. So she sent, oh, this is so pretty. You know what I can do, guys? I actually just now thought of it. I can actually stamp this out and put it in my brother's ScanNCut and save it. Yes, I can do that. Debbie, thank you so much. I'm going to save this for sure and use it. And I'm going to see if I can't make a flower like that. And it does have a die, but you know what? I'm going to try that first with my ScanNCut and see. I think Rosa's Creative Way has a tutorial on how to do that, because I know I saw it at some point. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. All right, thank you so much, Debbie. I love Heartfelt. And here we are, guys. And she is a designer for Rene Bouquets. She's a design team member. And so she sent me another little goodie right here. And it is from Rene Bouquets, beautiful with an edge. These are so pretty. Look at these butterflies. I love those. Those are, and it's got, it looks like some chunky, it looks like glitter glass, which I bought some, guys, and I haven't used it just because it's a little intimidating. So let me see this. Hers are all flat. Maybe she flattens hers. These are pretty. Yeah, I guess it's not so bad to use. But look, I don't know if the camera's picking up all the reflection, the light reflection. Ah, that's beautiful. I'm gonna have to play with mine and just see what. I actually bought it because I wanted to put some on some poinsettias for Christmas, you know, and use on my projects. You know, you guys know I love my poinsettias. Thank you, Debbie. I love these. These are so pretty. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, let us get into this little package. And this is so adorable. I'm going to slip that off. Oh, I'm going to reuse the ribbon, Debbie, and the flower. That is so cool. I need to do something like that. See, guys, I love that we watch each other because we do get ideas and inspiration from other creators. And yeah, I love this. I'm going to have to, you know, step up my game on my packaging. So she's wrapped it in tissue. How pretty, guys. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Okay, guys, I know you cannot feel this, but I think it's felt. What an interesting idea. It's not, maybe not felt. It is, it's really soft. I don't know what it's called, but it is really, Debbie, let me know what this is called. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. And you know, that texture feels good, but it makes the book look, oh my gosh, I guess because it's the perfect pink. She put little corners here, and she put some flowers. These are the same, these are felt flowers. And I don't know if that's what this is. I don't think it's felt. But these they look like felt flowers. She put some little ink spots around it, or, you know, just ink spots here and there. Splotches, I guess. And then some glitter around the flowers. That's beautiful. Grow a Happy Life. These are, look at that butterfly, guys. It's got that glitter glass, or glass glitter. I keep saying glitter glass. I'm guessing that as long as we push it down to where the chards are not sticking up, it's okay. Oh, I'm very encouraged to play with mine. This is beautiful, guys. I wish you could feel how that book feels. All right, so let's look inside this cute little book. I'm not sure if it's a folio or a mini album. It might be a folio. But these flowers look so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh. And then she put some glitter around these little corner pieces like that. And it's beautiful, guys. Hopefully you guys will check her out. And I just love that butterfly, how it looks with the glass glitter. Oh, and she made the little antennas. I love that. So let's open this up and see. Oh, how cute. It's a little folio. I love it. And she continued on the inside with this. It feels like velvet, guys. That's what it feels like. It doesn't, I don't think, yeah, it just feels like velvet. That's as close as I can get to a description. Velvet. Okay, so let us look. She made a little waterfall here. Bloom, grow, blossom. That's so pretty with a little flower there. And that has a magnet right there. And that is so cute. And then we open it up, and this is just a little waterfall, it looks like. Yeah, there we go. Oh, this one has a little pocket. Look at that. It has a little pocket, Debbie. That's so cute. So there's that waterfall, and she has made the waterfall with designer paper on both sides. So look at that. So adorable. Here's this one. I want to make sure I don't miss any pockets, guys. I'm not going to tear anything off. I just want to make sure I don't miss pockets. How cute. And this is the last page. Oh, I just love that. It is adorable. Love, love, love that. Beautiful. Debbie, that's beautiful. Can't wait to use it. There we go. And then this side is a little pocket. There is beauty in simplicity, and she's got some trim on the top and the bottom. She's got this matted on some floral paper. And I know I have this collection. I can't think of the name of it right now, but I believe it's a Recollections paper pad. So there's a couple of tags here. She has put an eyelet on the top and some trim on the top as well. There we go. And then she's got this little, looks like a booklet. So this I will open up because it looks like a booklet. Yes, okay. So I can put pictures in there. And then that is so pretty. Bloom, I think it's the Bloom collection from Recollections. So that is so pretty. Thank you, Debbie. That's a little booklet for pictures. And then here she has made, okay, she has made an accordion for photos. There we go. Oh, how pretty. She's made a little tuck spot here. And then this one is I'm sure it comes out, yeah. That is from the cut aparts. That's so adorable. And then on the other side, she's covered, of course, both sides with the paper. Makes it really thick. And yeah, she's used two different ones here. And then this is another tuck spot. It says grow a happy life. That is so pretty. Thank you so much, Debbie. I love it. Oh, that's pretty, guys. And then she has that sitting here. And then these hold it up. You put it in, but it'll hold the little accordion up. That is so cute. I love it, Debbie. Thank you so much. You know, I love it. Can't wait to use it. And I think I am going to put pictures of my grandbabies in there. That's what I'm gonna do. So guys, I just wanted to share my happy mail with you guys, and I love it. hopefully you guys can check her out on her channel. I'll put all the information in the description box where you can find Debbie. Debbie, you are such a sweetheart. Thank you so much. I love it. And yeah, we'll meet at some point. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I appreciate you. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and leave me a thumbs up and a comment. And we will see you later. Thanks a lot, guys.